Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the Paranormal Pantivity Project Pan. This project is a fantastic ladies collab. All the info you need to know will be listed down in the description box below. So let's jump into the items rotating out of this project. The first item rolling out was for the prompt ectoplasm, a face mask. So I have this Creme Shop jelly mask with Kuromi on it. My goal for this item was to use it 10 times. I finished that goal on May 21st. Love this. It smelled like raspberry and patchouli and so nice and so soft. And the other item rolling out is for the prompt demon, a product you were tempted into buying, and that is the Alice blush in Silence. My goal with this blush was to use it 5 times, and I hit those 5 uses on June 18th. Loved using it. I really love red blush. I have to be delicate with it, but I really love it. So now I'm going to talk about everything remaining before I talk about the roll-ins. Our oldest item is for the prompt white lady, and that is the Wet n Wild multi-stick in white. Since the last update, I've used it 3 times. This is how much is left. Still a long way to go. Next, for Vanishing Hitchhiker, the prompt is a product that disappears quickly. I have the Jordana black eyeliner. I have not been tightlining, so this has not been used. So it is not vanishing quickly. Next, for Screaming Skulls, I have a Halloween-based product. I have the Wet n Wild highlighter in Not Your Basic Witch. My goal with this item is to use it 11 times. I used it once, as 10 uses remaining. The original goal was to use it 12, but it has gotten little use. The next one is the prompt Banshee, a product you are close to finishing. So I have my Becca Opal highlighter. Since the last update, I used it 7 times. I need to start using it as an actual face highlighter. I've been using it in my inner corners, so it's not getting used up quickly. And then the last item before the roll-ins is the prompt Boogeyman or Boogie, a product to use at night. So I have the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Since the last update, I've used it 7 times. There's still a lot in there. I've forgotten about this for the moment, so it's in here because I also can't find the lid. So to keep it sanitary, it's in its own salad container. The 2 items rolling in I'm actually really excited about. The first prompt is the prompt Ghost, and it's a product you have unfinished business with. Think of the Graveyard Project Pan because it was inspired by Emily and Max. So I picked the CoverGirl face powder. I had this in some project to finish and then never did, so my goal will be to finish it. Yeah. And then the next prompt is Necromancy, a product you haven't used in a long time. So I went with a primer. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I don't even remember if I like this primer, how I feel about it. My goal will be to use it 10 times, so this definitely should be out by the next update. Something fun, fresh, and different. Hopefully I can finally get another item rolled out of this project. Because I'm going very slow and I would like to do the whole list before the finale. So I gotta get moving. But yeah, that is my short and sweet update for this project. If you enjoy me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz. And I will see you all next time. Peace out.